Hey friends, if you encounter the issue could not move extension directory into profile error on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove and re-add the problematic extension on Google Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extension and go to manage extensions. If there is a problematic extension, try removing it. Okay, I mean, if this is the extension causing that extension error, and if this works, then simply remove it and then re-add it. Okay, the next solution is to reset Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to the original defaults and then select reset settings. The next solution is to update Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and then select about Google Chrome, and it will update Google Chrome. And the last solution is to clear browsing data, cache and cookies. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then select history once again. Click on delete browsing data, check it at all time and then click on clear data. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.